In sales, all your effort depends on the closing technique you employ. It doesn't matter how impressed the client is, a mistake in the closing round of sales and the deal could be done in a second. Watch this resource dedicated to closing techniques in sales to master the process. You will be able to supercharge your lead conversion rates. Download this PPT deck to make sure your sales team knows all the tricks to close a deal. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. With a quick introduction to sales closing techniques, we hit the ground running with the technique 1 2 3 close. This PPT presentation allows you to make an informed decision on which technique you need to deploy based on client characteristics. If the client needs more time, choose the adjournment close. If the criteria is affordability, affordable close is what you're looking for. With the Artisan close, highlight the art, talent, and aptitude that went into creating the product or service being sold. Although it might seem like a straightforward, but it requires years of training to know how to do it correctly. This PPT set is your key to close the sale with even the most difficult of customers. The idea behind Assumptive close is to act as if the customer has already made a decision. This technique directs the conversation's attention to the next concern level. Teach your salespersons to ensure they make the client feel heard through the empathy close and with some time-sensitive offers in the now or never close. A classic, allow the customer to use the product or take it home for a trial run is another closing technique that is known to work. This is the puppy close, and sometimes, the client finds they just can't live without the product. With a single click you can boost your conversion rates in no time. Download PowerPoint training module now. Other sales closing techniques discussed in the PowerPoint training deck are rational close, summary close, opportunity cost close, concession close. Don't wait and level up your sales closing skills. Download our PPT resource from the link below and start closing like a pro. Visit SlideTeam to find many more such PPT decks.